We're here in Walsall today at one of our client sites where we've been invited to come along to demonstrate the speed and efficiency of our pothole services. The client had asked us to come to site, identifying 2 key potholes where they'd been receiving some complaints from staff and causing some health and safety issues. Our team arrived promptly and within 30 minutes managed to fix both potholes with a really happy customer at the end of it.